Hey, what's up guys, Santosh here from Smart Tech. In this video, we'll be taking hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy A51. I know you already watched another video. This is like second review. And the mid-range phone Samsung Galaxy A51 has come to an proper time. It's pretty cool with amazing features. So let's take a quick review and let's get it started. Woo! So here is the Samsung Galaxy A51. So it was released some months ago with the Samsung Galaxy A71. I have done a review of it. If you want, you can go check in my channel. So here's the box. There's nothing more to say about the front side. What is there? So let's talk about the price here. It comes with 27,078 rupees. You can convert to whatever currency and whatever country you live in. And starting off with the box, at the front side you'll be having this kind of thing, A51 Samsung and 24 months warranty, which is pretty good. And talking about the left side, you'll be having the A51 logo, and opposite side you'll be having caution saying do not do something, I can't see it. And back side you'll be having that thing. So here you will have the variety of it. It is 128 GB RAM, 4 GB storage. So there's a lot more about this mobile. It comes with two varieties, that is 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, and 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage. What's more, let's open the box, see how is the mobile. So before that, I'll be showing all the specification at the left side. You can see it. So it's pretty awesome. All the specs are good. So here's the mobile. Let's open it. I mean, it's not so easy. First of all, you get the mobile itself, and if you remove the mobile, you get an charger. So here you can see there's a charger inside this, and a warranty card, SIM ejector tool, and much more. You see the SIM ejector tool at the front itself. Here is the charging port, and here is the adapter. So I am glad that Samsung is still using its old kind of charger thing. I know this color and all those things were like old, they were used at the old, and it's pretty cool, but too. Here you get the box. So empty box, I'll throw it. Here's the mobile itself. It comes with the Infinity O display and 4 cameras. So you can see, and there is 4 cameras, a flashlight, and a good gradient kind of color. There's a good reflection there. And I'm glad that I shot this video with my DSLR camera. My first video that I shoot by my own. Not Slog didn't help me. So you get a 48 MP camera, another 12 MP camera, plus 5 MP camera, plus 5 MP camera. So depth camera is used in portrait shots, and you get an Infinity O display, that is 32 MP camera. So all is great here. For mid-range phone, it's awesome. Here is the charging port and headphone jack. I'm really glad that Samsung is still putting its headphone jack in the mobile. So here's the speaker port. At the left side you see the power button and the volume buttons, and they are like shaped very good, very easy to access. At the other side you get in plain surface. So here you get the SIM ejector. This is the SIM. You get dual SIM here and a memory card. So this mobile runs on 10x speed. That is, it runs very good. It's with the Octa core processor, which makes it more fast and durable. So here you can see the wallpapers are great. You get an Infinity O display and a 1080 camera, 6.42 inch display, and it runs on the normal Samsung launcher itself. All are great here. What else more to say about this phone? What else we need about this phone? It's great, amazing, beautiful, wonderful. And it can give away too. It has come to an end. Winners will be decided in the gleam.io. The video. Make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe, turn the notification on, comment down below. Bye. Hey, what's up guys? Santosh here from Smart Chair. In today's video, we'll be doing the review hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy A51. I know you already watched the another